I get to shoot over. Let's go. Surrender. We got rough tower. Nice, nice. Oh, I'm gonna get flagged. Cover me. Cover me, I'm getting flagged. Please don't. All right, we got 3 red. Come on. I'm gonna take a respawn. Dude, I got showered with like BB fragments. I don't know if I got hit, but I'm gonna take one. Hi.
Are they right there?
No. Whoa, whoa. Excuse me, guys. What the? Ah, nice. Hey. Hey! We got this guy?
They got glass wall.
That's okay. Run. Nice. Hit! Man, I think I got him. Good man.
Where are they?
Hold on, give me a second. Whoa. Nico, you were just by spawn, weren't you?
Huh?
You were just by spawn, weren't you?
By their spawn, yeah.
So he was just by spawn. This whole lane is clear.
I traded with the guy that killed me.
Surrender! Oh, okay. Nice. Heard that. Surrender, surrender, surrender. Hit! Woo! Oh, the man, the man, the man, the man. Woo! Woo! Excuse me, guys. Excuse me, sorry.
Is there a light on this?
Hold on, I'll be... Dead man? Yeah, dude. I put all the way up to Blue Tower.
This is not my play style.
No?
Nah.
Here.
You want it back?
Yeah. Here.
Oh, you sure?
Yeah, yeah.
Hit, 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 hit.
Hit!
Hit, hit. I don't even give my fault that they would have said no. Hey, no, I think there's something wrong with your gun.
Again?
The BBs are going diagonal.
What do you mean they're going diagonal?
There's this mix now.
Okay.
Must have been a miscleaning issue. There were people canceled, but I don't know.
Gotcha.
What's up?
Ah, nice, dude, nice. Dead man. Good. Where'd that come from? Ah, nice shot, dude. Excuse me, excuse me. Ooh, that sounded like it hurt. No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. Woo! Nice shooting, dude. I saw that. Surrender, 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 surrender. Are you out? Oh, yes, you are. Okay. Oh, where'd that come from? Nice, dude, nice shot. Excuse me. Yep, pretty much straight to the back. Keep on going straight. You'll find it. Yep. Surrender, 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 surrender. Where's that? Oh, hi. Hit. Yeah. Okay. Is it having problems again?
No, the BBs are going like diagonal and I keep on hitting people in accident.
Holy crap, alright, let me check this.
I have it on my camera, I just recorded it.
Let's see.
But it does it rarely, but what it always does it at the wrong time.
Why are you wearing a nice
Try that.
I'll tell you the footage, I don't want to hit anyone.
Okay.
I'm not trying to.
Alright, I'll leave this here then. Well, I guess I'll run with it. No, I'll run it. I'll run it.
Where'd you put, oh.
I can run it. Orange! Orange! Good! Sorry! Good call, bro! Reloading! Nico! Get the flag, please.
Hey, Dad, I'm sorry.
Surrender, surrender, surrender. Orange, move up. Orange. Orange, orange, orange. Surrender, surrender, surrender. You want? Trade it! Trade it! Alright, good job, good job, good job! You're good, you're good! Dead man! Hi! Dead man! Oh! Guys! Aim for effort, guys! I like it! They just kill each other. Oh God! I'm down! 106! I am! Go! Nice, dude, nice. Dead man!
I'm not looking, Dad.
Yeah, I'm looking at the shadows, man. That's why. Yeah. And the only way that I knew where he was the shadow.
Yeah.
I knew about where he was because you said dead man.
Right.
But that shadow gives away everything.
Oh, yeah.
Want to follow him?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Excuse me. Sir. Sir. Orange? Ah, dead man! Ah. Dead. Dead man. Are you running a GoPro without a case? Okay.
I shot at that guy, but I didn't get it.
You guys gotta more than one time. Yeah.
I shot at him, I didn't get it.
I shot it, and the guy threw it out.
I'll take it.
Nice shooting, man. Thank you. Whoa, hit. I'll take it. I will definitely take that. The man. Hit. Woo. Excuse me. Oh, I'm getting tired. Ah.
One corner.
Hit. Nice. Nice. Not bad. It's a relatively good game, I'd say.